Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September 25th, 2020, and we're going to be harvesting our sweet potato plants out of here. Now, what we had did with this bin is we had left it go at first in the greenhouse, and then we took it out because aphids were on the sweet potato vines, and we took cuttings from the sweet potato vines, and we redid the bins outside. We had found where the heat pipes were coming over to feed the greenhouse, the heat that it was heating the ground up as well. So we took the containers and we put them out and we covered them with plastic, and we had put our spring onions in them. So we harvested our spring onions out, and the sweet potato vines had continued to grow, and then we planted some red beet seeds in, and they're growing, but it's time for us to harvest our sweet potatoes out. They're calling for frost, and what will happen is if you get a frost on your sweet potato vines, it will go down into the tubers, the sweet potato tubers, and it will kill, it will rot your sweet potatoes. So we got to get these out of here. So we're going to get these out of here. Now we gotta watch, we don't want to tear our red beets out, which is going to be really hard to do. There's one over there. Well, that's a big one there.
Yeah, this is hooked up to that one.
Yeah. Can you get it out?
No, my phone.
That thing is big.
Oh gosh. Oh.
That was a little baby one that was on it. Sometimes they break off when you're trying to get them out. We normally dump the bins out, but because we're trying to save our red beets that are still growing.
Look at that.
And the vines just took off and grew. They went, they got in the channel of the greenhouse down at the bottom, and they just took off growing.
20 feet long.
So they're about 20 feet
Why
long.
are you pulling out the red beet?
So they're about 20 feet long there.
Now, if you could just snip these off, stick that in the ground, it will grow again.
So that's how you take a cutting and you stick it in the ground then. And that's what we did with these, and they grew for us. And you can do multiple ones off of that thing there.
Stick that in the ground and you can get new sweet potatoes.
So digging around in here, my dad found another one.
Tough as silver, oh my goodness.
Yeah, there's another one.
If them roots made it out the bottom,
Probably under the tub.
they're probably under the top. Yeah. We'll be okay like this with these red beets.
So he's just digging around in here trying to see if he can find any more. There, this bin over here has them. I can see one. There's one right there on top. Yeah, right there it is.
It really makes it difficult with the red beets in.
Yeah. That one pushed its way out of the soil.
This is going to really need water.
Ooh, it broke. Oh my goodness, that thing. Look at that thing.
Well.
Oops.
Oh, not underneath. Just worms.
That's a nice one there.
I can't believe that.
So, we couldn't find any more in here. They didn't go out the bottom. But it's hard to say what's under the red beets.
Does this one go back in the ground, this little one?
No, you take that out. There's another one. Oh, wow. Yeah.
I can't believe this.
These are some of the nicest sweet potatoes that we've had.
We tried it last year and it didn't work.
Oh, hold on
My
here.
hands are getting...
Yeah, my hands are full too.
I want to stick them on the ground here, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
See if I can find anything here.
There's one. Right here.
See if we can dig it out.
Oh,
here.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. Sorry.
You're fine. They're smaller.
The top one won't be any good because it gets sunburned.
There's another one down in here, I think. Are these coming out?
Yeah.
Now this here got sunburn from being exposed to the sun. So we can't eat this one here.
If you feel in there, I thought it was another one. There's no goofy. Okay, sorry.
There's something in there someplace.
Yeah.
Broke off from something.
We can't use any tools because of the red beets.
Yeah, we can't. We don't want to break anything.
I forget if we would have dug over here, we'd been safe.
Well, we don't want to pierce the
Yeah.
sweet potatoes. It's down there. I seen it. It was over this way, worn down. Oops.
Yeah, everything but sweet potato.
I seen something.
I can't find any more. I'll take a few of them.
Yeah, we should take some down to the garage and stick in, huh?
So this is what we got out for what we can find. And like I said, we don't want to dump the bins out because of our red beets. So it's hard to say what else we might find when we get those out of there. But you can see here what we got. We got some really nice ones here. So we're happy with what we got. I mean, we just broke the pieces off and stuck them in and left them go. And this is what we got. Now, we did try and keep them watered. We do have to water these again because we're still partially in a drought. We haven't gotten rain now again for a little while. So we're trying to keep it watered. So this will be for our Thanksgiving supper here. Well, with everything else. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!